Hi everyone, just a quick one. I did tell you I'd show you what I've done to my lamb. Full leg of lamb I got. I got this from Aldi. It was £16, but when I went to pay for it at the self-service, it said 14, so I got a couple of quid off. I don't know why. Yes, that's all I've done. I've slit it. I know some people poke holes, I don't. I just slit it. I put some garlic in there, and I don't really like rosemary, so I just put some thyme on. And that's it really. I seasoned it, salt and pepper, put a bit of oil on, rubbed it all together. I'm having a few pigs in blankets, why not? And I got my mash. I got some carrots. I got my broccoli to do. And me, not me mash, me roast potatoes. Roast potatoes, we don't have mash. And I'm going to do my Yorkshire puddings. So I just thought I'd show you the lamb before it goes in. And I'll show you when it comes out. And there is my lamb done. And it smells delicious. Oh yes. Leave that to rest now for 20 minutes, half hour while my Yorkshire puddings are doing. There we go guys. And there it is cut. Look, I'm just cutting it up now, ready to serve up. Gorgeous. Lovely little bit of pinkness. Yum yum. Alright, have yourselves a good Easter. I don't know if this will be up Easter Day or whether it'll be up Monday, I don't know. But I say just thought I'd show you that because I said I would. Till next time, see you later, bye bye.